And Ray.
And we are
Team Reese.
We are Team Reese. And today, y'all, can y'all believe it? I am trying eggnog for the very first time. I am pretty sure as a child, I attempted to try it and like gagged on it. But before we even get to that, welcome to Team Reese Travels. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope that you will stick around and become a part of the team. If you are not new here, welcome back, family. We're so glad to have you here as well. But today, like I said, I'm getting ready to try eggnog for the first time. And I'm just a little bit nervous about it because it's never been the kind of thing I wanted to drink. So we're gonna see how it goes. It is a staple holiday drink, so I mean, maybe I can get into it for the holiday. What you think, Ray? You think I'm gonna be able to do it?
I hope so, because I don't want to clean up on aisle 2.
Oh my god, yeah, because you know I can't clean up no vomit either, so yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get a garbage bag. I'll be back.
I'm gonna be alright. We're gonna think positive. It's gonna go well, right? Right. Alright, so first of all, why is eggnog so hard to find? I done been to 3 different stores. I was hoping to find like a bunch of different types of eggnog, like some different flavored eggnog.
I was hoping for like chocolate or strawberry.
Right, no, we couldn't find nothing like that. But what I did find, we got some original eggnog here. We got some old-fashioned eggnog here, and then we have this Fireball non-alcoholic eggnog.
Non-alcoholic.
It is
eggnog.
It is non-alcoholic. So we're gonna.
That's what it says on the bottle. We're not just saying it.
It really is
non-alcoholic Fireball eggnog.
Yeah.
Hey, so when she told me this, I was like, we drinking alcohol? Eggnog? She was like, it's not alcohol. I was like, okay, so why is it called Fireball? But this is actually, it has cinnamon in it. So, you know, we'll see how it goes.
It says Fireball Holiday Nog.
Oh, excuse me, Fireball Holiday Nog.
But I think I'll save that one for last. I think I should try the original first, and then the deluxe, and then the Fireball. You have to shake it up?
Yeah. Yes, please do.
Y'all, I don't even like milk, and it just looks so much like milk. What is eggnog anyway? Like, what is it made out of?
Comment down in the comment section below and tell us what you think about drinking eggnog. Do you drink it? Do you have special things you drink it with? Do you only drink it? Because I think I've seen do we make eggnog throughout the year?
I don't know. I ignore eggnog all year long. It looks like milk. Okay. Please. I'm gonna open.
This will be okay.
This is Ryder Dairy Original Eggnog. I'm gonna try that first. Pour a little bit in my glass. It's so thick. Why is it so? Let me see. And what's the smell?
Please do not.
If y'all see me run, just know that I spared y'all the visual, okay? Okay. First one.
Down the hatch.
Ryder Original Eggnog. That smells so bad. Is this supposed to smell like that?
Yeah, that's right.
That's the right smell. It's not right. That's different. Okay. Do I have to finish it?
No, you don't have to finish it.
I don't even think I got enough to really taste. Just pretty much wet my tongue with it. Okay. It's not terrible. It tastes like is it like cinnamon in it or something?
It's probably is what it looks like. Not that okay, that means you're gonna get all of them with cinnamon.
Yeah, nutmeg. Maybe that's what I'm tasting, nutmeg.
Probably so.
Okay. It's not terrible. It's definitely not nothing that I would be like, I need a glass of eggnog. No, I'm good on that. Let's see what this, what is this old-fashioned eggnog tastes like.
For you?
You want to try this?
I'll wait till you do.
Okay. He drink eggnog, so it ain't nothing to see with him trying it, but
I'm different.
This is not my thing.
But I like being different.
What we gonna do with all these open cartons of eggnog? You gonna drink them all? Oh, you shook this one up, right? All right, this is CF Burger Creamery Deluxe Old Fashioned Eggnog. It bubbled out, yo.
Hey, don't be.
It bubbled out of the carton. Oh my gosh.
That's what milk does.
I don't like milk. All right. This is the old. So let me see if there's a difference in how it looks.
It looks a little bit darker.
Yeah, it does look a little bit darker. Maybe it's got more egg yolk in it. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. Y'all, this one tastes like melted vanilla ice cream. No lie. Want to taste it?
Oh, why was you do
it? It tastes like melted vanilla ice cream. That's all it tastes like. This one's good. All right, old fashioned. You all right with me? Cause this original one. Now, we're down to the fireball. Fireball. Let's give it a try. This is Fireball non-alcoholic holiday nog. You need something? Are you gonna shake it up for me? Shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid. Thank you. All right. This is the Fireball holiday nog. It smells cinnamony. Cinnamony, is that a word? Cinnamony.
Spell it.
C-I-N-M-O-N-Y. I like this one too. This one's alright. It's very cinnamony though, like almost spicy.
Fireball.
I like it though. It's good. I could drink this one, and I could drink that one. I could do away with this one. This one I actually want to finish. Y'all, sorry if it's a lot of background noise. It's storming outside here. All right. That's it. That's all three of them. So if I had to rate them, this one would be my least favorite.
Out of 10.
Oh, out of 10. Okay, I was going to rank them in order. But I could do out of 10. This one, this is getting like a 2 from me. I didn't really care for this one. The original. This one, I'm going to give this one a 9 because it was really good to me. And the Fireball, I'm going to give it a 7.5. This one is definitely my favorite. First of all, though, they're all eggnog, so none of them get a 10, just for that reason. But I do like the old fashioned, so I'm gonna give, what did I give that, a 9? Yeah, I gave that a 9. And then this will get a 7.5.
Why is this a 7.5 and you said you really wanted to finish this one?
Because I really wanted to finish this one too. I finished it, see?
I know, but I'm saying you seem like you were more into this one.
No, it's that spicy kick. I could do with or without that. But this one tastes like ice cream. I mean, who don't love ice cream?
Okay. As we continue through these holiday seasons, would you drink more of some more of the old fashioned?
I will probably drink more of the old fashioned.
Okay.
Yeah, because it tastes like ice cream. That's it. I have officially tried eggnog. I feel so accomplished.
I too.
But thank you so much for watching. Let us know down in the comments, what are your thoughts on eggnog? Do you drink it? Like Ray was saying, do you have anything special that you add to it to make it taste better? Any recommendations on what I could add to this what is it? Deluxe old fashioned eggnog, because this is the one I'm gonna be drinking.
What if you added like a peppermint stick to that?
That would probably be
or
good.
Peppermint flavor.
I have peppermint syrup in there.
Yeah, peppermint flavor.
I could add some peppermint syrup to it.
I think that would work out really well.
Might be good.
That'll take it to a whole. That'll take it to another level.
Yeah, we could try that. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And what else we got to say? What else we got to say?
That's my almost over. Vlogmas is almost over day.
We didn't even say what day it is. Today is Vlogmas 16. Vlogmas day 16. That means
we love you guys. That's what it is.
we're over halfway through Vlogmas, man. Yeah. We're doing good, and we hanging in there, y'all. You know what? Story time. How about Vlogmas day 17 will be a story time of how Vlogmas almost ended on like day 12. If you want to hear why Vlogmas was almost over for us, drop it down in the comments and let us know, and we will do a story time about it. Oh boy, thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you.
And until the next vlog, which will be tomorrow, Team Reese all day.